Well, if you're looking for some dreamy sleep gummies from Goli, definitely want to check these out. So this is a free sample given to me by Goli. Thank you so much. So they come with 60 gummies. I really like the packaging. I like the color. It gives you like the purple makes you, at least for me, makes me think of like going to sleep and stuff. They definitely work. They have melatonin, so it's natural. I took some even last night. Like I wanted to just to test it out. I don't really take sleep gummies. I was like, let me just see what happens. It was like 10:30 at night. I should have been asleep. So I said, let me just take two of these. This is what they look like. You can't smell them, but they smell really nice. Like a candy gummy smell. So they look like this, and you just take two a day. I would recommend taking them at night because it does work. Like I felt like more tired. I was like, oh, like I could barely keep awake, but not like in a side effect, anything weird. At least for me, I took it and it really helped me like I felt like I was gonna get knocked out. I was like, oh yeah, okay, this worked. Let me go to sleep. I mean, it was late anyway, but it helped me not want to stay up later. Like this was like, yeah, you need to go to sleep. So definitely check them out. They're great. They work for me, and I hope they work for you.